How to remove browsing history on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you to the steps on how you can remove browsing history on Temu. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to remove browsing history on Temu, you want to simply first go ahead and open up Temu. Now it's pretty simple whether you are on the app or the browser. You want to simply head over. Once you open up and log in, tap on the U tab at the bottom. If you are on the web browser, head into U tab as well. Then you can see the history option right here on the screen. You want to tap on it. Then you can simply tap on manage option at the top right corner and now select the particular history that you like to delete. If you wish to delete all your history, simply tap and select all option at the bottom left corner and then tap on delete all option at the bottom right corner and then tap on delete, and this will delete all your browsing history on Temu. This is how you can easily delete all your browsing history or remove your browsing history from Temu. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.